first, since wealth is the most important thing, we'll start with Kubera, and Kubera rules the northern direction. So Kubera is basically a yaksha. So Yakshaya, Kuberaya, Vaishwarnaya, Dhanadhanini Pravrute, Dhanadhane Samruddhime, Dehi Tapaya Swaha. So the northern direction, so you would, the application of this is, you will find that in the houses, you will have wealth. Wherever you store wealth, it will be in the north.
Yes.
And the energy of Kubera is very, very high there. And then it is assumed that, you store energy, wealth there, your wealth will kind of prosper and then move forward, kind of a thing. So directly opposite Kubera, we have Yama. So Yama is the god of death. And hence you would notice that, when the person expires, you would face the head is faced towards the southern direction. And it clearly kind of, so the journey from there, as per Garuda Puran, the journey there starts towards the Vaitharni river, and then it moves on, and then Yama comes, and then Dharma, your accounts are taken care of and all that. So the direction primarily from that perspective is south. Then we have the eastern direction. Eastern direction is primarily ruled by Indra. So we have multiple faces, multiple spheres. So in which Indra is, Swargaloka is ruled by Indra. So the eastern direction is primarily ruled by Indra. So anything to do with, valor, anything to do with, so for example, you have your, now we are all, post-COVID, pre-COVID, we are staying at home and then talking. So anything to do with, business, and then your work, life, and all those activities can probably take place in the Indra's direction. Because Indra is kind of known as the king of the gods, and then anything to do with your work life, it will kind of be beneficial from that perspective. So diametrically opposite Indra is, you have Varuna. Varuna is the lord of the oceans,
which is west.
Which is the western direction. So you will have a good water flow in the western side of your house. It kind of brings prosperity onto your house, and then water is also kind of directly proportional. That is, Moon and Venus is directly proportional to the relationship component in your home.
Right.
So for example, if you have a lot of heat energy at home, you would find that husband and wife, and then among children, among parents,
there
is always friction. So you kind of lubricate that friction with a lot of water component, and Varuna from that perspective is very, very, very important.